Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA G20 and let me share with you how to enable and how to customize the night mode or eye comfort mode, and then how to have much faster access to this feature. So let's enter the settings because we will begin with the customization and tap on the display. Now we have to tap on the night light because this is the option we are looking for. So let's enter, and before we will customize it we have to turn it on. So simply tap on it. And as you can see, the screen turns yellowish or even amber. It is in order to filter the blue light, and what's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen under dim light and actually in the bad light conditions. So here you've got the switcher, thanks to which you can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, you can make it cooler, and to the right, much warmer, as you can see. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use, which option is more comfortable for you. What's more, you can schedule that feature, so you can leave it none, so then you will have to turn it on or off manually, but you can turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So after picking sunset to sunrise, your device will decide, based probably on the network time, when the sunset and sunrise is. But if you will pick the custom time, all you have to do is to simply pick the start time. So I will pick, for example, 3 o'clock. Let's tap on it, and the end time, and I will pick, for example, 8 o'clock. Let's tap on OK. And as you can see, the screen is still yellow. It is because we are between the start time and end time, obviously. But let me turn it off, because why not? So actually, this is the whole customization of this feature in this model. And if you would like to have much faster access to the feature, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and find the nightlight icon, which is right here. So right now it is active. Obviously, you can turn it off just by tapping on it, and as you can see, the screen turns back to its regular state, and you can turn it on the same way. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable night light or eye comfort mode in your NOKIA G20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.